I have recently started studying about Islam and like making a change in my life, or I'm very committed to it, and I try to follow everything that the Quran requires of us. लेकिन मुझ में एक अजीब सी resistance है about I don't know how to explain it. मैं जब खुद में नमाज पढ़ती हूँ और कुरान पढ़ती हूँ, you know, I feel very satisfied. लेकिन the minute other people start putting me in a kind of a box of being a good Muslim, I feel very claustrophobic. Or thoda sa, like I want to kind of break out of that box. And I don't know what makes me feel this way. इसलिए कि लोगों को तो normally पसंद है being part of a community, right? लोग normally ये चाहते हैं कि हम like-minded people मिल जाएं. मुझे कोई अजीब सी reluctance है to be amongst what are the so-called good Muslims. And I'm wondering if anybody else feels this way. Thank you.
Well, I can actually relate to what you have just said, and I have myself felt that way. Uh, if it is any comfort, I would just like to say that, we have to be very careful about how we start approaching religion. Religion is not about merely a set of actions, and what people are going to talk to you about and what they are going to judge you on is what you're doing. What you're being will never be under consideration. And what I realized in my own ways, in my own understanding, in my own reading of the Quran, what I have realized, and to a very great extent, and every day I get more convinced of that, is that it is about being somebody. It is not about doing something. It is not about doing it in a particular way or doing it according to what people want you to do. I think the problem is with our definition of a community. When we say that we are a community, it should not actually mean that we are all alike. We all approach our our religion according to our individual understandings, and we can actually contribute to each other's understanding. That is the most important thing. And I would encourage you with this, be a part of a group where your diversity, we are Muslims because we believe in some things. We can be fallible, we can be full of mistakes. Still, we are Muslims because we believe in something. We are a creed. You see, and I believe that if we can have this accommodative and an inviting attitude towards others, where we can accept differences and not just tolerate them, but in fact celebrate them. Hopefully we'll be a very cherished community, inshallah. And let's strive for that. We need people who believe that we can still be together with all our differences. Why feel claustrophobic? And I assure you that you're not the only one. Many people I have talked to, and many people I have experienced, their pain that I feel is because of this thing, that they feel judged because they could not come up to the standards of others. We don't want to have any external standards. We would like to approach religion through our own standards, hopefully, inshallah. I hope that helps.